Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy in which a business rewards individuals, affiliates, for driving traffic or sales to the business through their marketing efforts. It is a mutually beneficial arrangement where affiliates earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through their promotional activities. Key components of affiliate marketing. Affiliates. These are individuals or entities who partner with businesses to promote their products or services. Affiliates use their marketing channels to drive traffic and sales, earning a commission for each successful referral. Advertisers/merchants. These are the businesses that offer products or services and seek to increase sales and brand exposure through affiliate marketing partnerships. Affiliate networks. These are intermediaries that connect affiliates with advertisers. They provide a platform for tracking sales, managing payments, and offering a wide range of affiliate programs to choose from. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate promotion. Affiliates promote products or services through various channels, such as websites, social media, email marketing, or content creation. Unique tracking links. Each affiliate is provided with a unique tracking link that identifies their referrals. This link is used to track sales and leads generated by the affiliate's promotional efforts. Commission structure. Affiliates earn a commission for each sale or lead they drive to the advertiser. The commission structure can be based on a percentage of the sale value, a fixed amount per lead, or other arrangements. Benefits of affiliate marketing. Low risk for advertisers. Advertisers only pay for actual sales or leads, making it a cost-effective marketing strategy. Passive income for affiliates. Affiliates can generate passive income by promoting products or services they believe in without the need to create their own products. Affiliate marketing is a powerful and cost-effective way for businesses to expand their reach and for individuals to monetize their online presence. By leveraging the performance-based nature of affiliate marketing, businesses can tap into new customer segments, while affiliates can earn income through their marketing efforts. To learn a full strategy to make 1K daily from Clickbank, click the link in description.